What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven. Tsuka saying ha. I'm back with another video for you guys. Tsuka is gonna crush it in the future when the bull market is back. And Tsuka is ready for that blast off. Don't miss the train, guys. But before we get into that, Meme Coin Daily, 1,070 subscribers. So let's get to 2,000 subscribers. If you hold Tsuka, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out. Supporting content creators could get this video into the algorithm and then get new eyes on the project. And always, guys, please be aware, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Tsuka, one of the best community-driven projects focused on decentralization. 5,990 people have Tsuka on their watch list, up 10% on the 24-hour, $71 million in market cap, and $5.4 million in 24-hour trade volume, up 513%. Shout out to everyone in the Tsuka community pushing the project. That $1, $10, $50 Tsuka. I wouldn't rule it out, guys. Anything is possible in crypto. Crypto is very unexpected. Never doubt, what could happen in crypto. Let's scroll down real quick, see what we have here. Tsuka listed on Gate.io, $2 million in trade volume and multiple different exchanges. Bit gets trade volume through the roof, 2.2 million. Gate.io's trade volume through the roof, 1.9 million. It's also on Bitrue, Bitmart, Coinex, Mexi Global, 173k. It's the exchanges are happening, guys. It's happening left and right. The confidence of each exchange is very high, and it's absolutely bullish and great to see. And I know that more exchanges will happen in the future. The exchanges, the centralized exchanges, will love to see all of that trade volume that's happening for Tsuka and think to themselves, man, I gotta get my hands on some Tsuka, guys. This is a community-driven project getting listed on Gate.io. It's a big deal, and tier 1s for Tsuka, I'm sure, will happen in the future, guys. When enough noise is made from the community about, the success of this project, when you have diamond hand whales like you do in Tsuka, anything is possible for a project like this, guys. Now, as you guys can see for the Tsuka chart, we are in a sideways accumulation phase right now. Had a bit of a move to the upside because the market is starting to get a bit more bullish. ETH right now is sitting at $1,300. The inflation CPI data came in today on the 13th at 7.1%, lower than expected. So tomorrow, the 14th, the Fed will definitely be dovish, right? And then we get a pause in interest rate hikes, which then in turn would make the stock market bullish and then the crypto market bullish. And projects like Tsuka will go absolutely bonkers, guys. I can't wait to see what a bull market for Tsuka is gonna look like, because you guys of the Tsuka community are super based. The whales, you guys are diamond hands, and with Tsuka you just have to exercise patience. Every time I'm on crypto Twitter, I scroll through my tweets and I see something that is mentioned by Tsuka. It always happens. One of the top whales, I'm always seeing his image. He keeps adding to his Tsuka bag, sitting at like 2 point something million in Tsuka right now, and he's just adding to the bag, just diamond handing this project, right? Great whales in Tsuka. The future for Tsuka just looks so bright, especially with the exchange listings that have happened, and I'm sure tier 1s will happen in the future. The Tsuka saying ha just keeps spreading the word of Tsuka, letting more and more people know about the project, which is absolutely bullish to see. We have a tweet from Peppered. LA token will be listing Tsuka for for winning their own listing competition. The power of Tsuka Sangha community has come through. 86% votes. You guys as the Tsuka Sangha are absolutely bullish and keep crushing it. This is what you do in a bear market. You keep building, keep pushing forward, and then when the bull market happens, it's absolutely crazy, and Tsuka will go absolutely crazy, guys. This is great to see. Tweet from Patty Stash: everything can/will change in the blink of an eye, and when it does, it'll be too late to get in for cheap, according to those not in Tsuka. Tsuka has already proven to be the biggest market outlier we've seen in years from May to September. Just wait for the second pump after 15 cents breaks. Huge move to the upside on Tsuka. Absolutely crazy stuff. Shout outs to the Tsuka community. Shout outs to Patty Stash. Shout outs to everyone in the Sangha that is pushing this project forward. From Phoenix Agency, I speak about distribution of wallets, often SHIB to Tsuka. You can see the high concentration in the top 10 to 100 holders in SHIB compared to Tsuka. The organic growth of Tsuka with its loyal group, the Sangha, shows the safety and potential Tsuka has to overthrow SHIB. So the distribution in Tsuka, the top 10 to 50 wallets have way less in their holding amounts, so that is way better distribution. This is Tsuka's distribution compared to Shiba's, where the top 10 to 50 have enormous amounts compared to the 26% the Tsuka holders have. 62% from the top 10 is a large amount. Tsuka has way better wallet distribution, which is very bullish, guys. Very great to see. Another tweet from OH: a huge 37k buy has just pushed us up to the top of the Tsuka buy zone. MACD heading to the green. Would love to see that hand play out, as we have built a strong foundation over the last few days. Hopefully we see the move to break 15 cents from here. So once we break this line, we see that move to 15 cents, and like Patty Stash said, that's when we really start flying in Tsuka. Hey, hold on to your seatbelts, guys. It's gonna be a crazy ride for Tsuka, man. I'm telling you guys. And like I was speaking about earlier, Tawa.eth, good morning. Delighted to own 36 million Tsuka as of today. Tsuka is the one. LFG, $2.4 million in Tsuka. And he just keeps adding to the bag, right? Diamond handing and just adding to the bag because he believes in the project. Completely decentralized, community driven project that has been an anomaly in the space. You know, just basically just defying all odds in the crypto space, guys. And that is some crazy stuff, man. Tsuka will absolutely melt faces. And what I really like to see for Tsuka, like I said earlier, with crypto Twitter, anytime I'm scrolling through my Twitter, I see tweets about Tsuka, and the social engagement is through the roof. A bunch of likes and retweets on every Tsuka post. So you guys stay absolutely active, and I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me on my Tsuka videos thus far. Another tweet from Jen: one tier 1 listing completed with gate, 3 others in progress. You just have to exercise patience when it comes to projects like Tsuka. I'm telling you guys, man, that patience will be rewarded. I have another tweet from Patty Stash replying to Crypto Bitlord. Hey Crypto Bitlord, just FYI, I was early on SHIB. He was in the top 1500 holders and predicted it to be the next Doge. CFAX backing everything up. Tsuka is superior to SHIB, just like SHIB was better than Doge. Tsuka will dwarf Doge as SHIB as far as ROI because the math. Whoa, Doge 2.1 million holders, SHIB. Let me pull this image up real quick. This is why SHIB. Okay, oh, so this is why this is what Patty tweeted about with Shiba in the early days. Man, you can't fade Patty, guys. Being super early to Shiba in the top 1500 holders. Calling it in the early days. Crazy. And now he's saying the same thing for Tsuka, right? I really don't think it's a good idea to fade Tsuka and to fade Patty's stash, guys. The proof is in the pudding. You know, the tweets are right here from February 14th, 2021. Absolutely insane stuff, guys, but absolutely bullish for Tsuka. And we have another tweet from H. Bartolomeo. Tsuka is the only crypto that encourages self-care, self-improvement, and enlightenment. Easy to stand with this community. What I really love about Tsuka is that it's community driven. The community is really accepting. The Sangha is very supportive, especially when I post my videos in the Telegram group. You guys are super supportive of my content on Tsuka and anyone else in the Tsuka community. You know what I'm saying? The Tsuka Sangha. And it's great to have that foundation, that movement, because when it comes to projects in the ETH space, ERC20, community is the top factor for project success. Once you have a great community, there's no telling how far a project could go, and Tsuka will absolutely crush it in the future. If you hold Tsuka, you're part of the Tsuka Sangha. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. Everything Tsuka and myself will be down in the description, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.